Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Savile here. Today we're going to take you through how to put a Rj45 connector onto a Cat5e cable. Let's get into it. Just a couple of tools required: be a Rj45 crimper, the Cat5e cable, Rj45 connector, tester, and a stripper. If you do not have a stripper, you can use a cutters instead. So we're going to cut back the cable approximately 50 millimeters, or whichever length you are comfortable with. So we're going to be using the B connection, which is orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. So for prep, you're going to untwist the cables. At this point, you can put the cables in their order, as well as straightening them out even further. So orange, white first, then orange, green, white is next, then we have the blue cable, then we have the blue, white, we have the green cable, the brown, white, and the brown, and you would just collect them and straighten them out. At this point, you're taking about 10 millimeter at the back and taking another 10 millimeter in the front, and you can use either your strippers or your cutters. Cut them off straight. At this point, the cables is all straightened, and you would leave the first 10 millimeters open. You would then take your connector with the pins facing up, slide your cables in, make sure the sheathing is in into the first 10 millimeters of the connector. You'll see there's a little triangle that will push down on the cable sheathing. Flip the connector over, use your crimping tool, down, remove. As you can see, the sheathing is inside that little triangle there. So the sheathing is holding the cable in place. If you have a look at the front of the connector, you can see all the copper in the front. That makes for a good connection. I will repeat on the other side. Use our tester to check the cable. Turn the tester on. As you can see, there's continuity on every strand, which means a good connection. Okay guys, that was a quick tutorial on how to crimp your Rj45 connector with a Cat5e cable. Please like, share and subscribe. Please leave a comment below. Please leave a comment on future videos you'd like to see, and I'll catch you next time.